All right, so far it's been pretty easy, right? Just basic unions, intersections. So let's get it a little more interesting and put intersections and unions together. So here's our three sets, A, B, and C, and what they contain. And we're asked to say, what is A union B intersected with C? All right, and number two is what is A intersect B unioned with C? And just like with general rules of operation, the parentheses around the A union B here mean we do that first, and then we apply the intersection with C. Okay, and similar over here. So let's look at number one first. We start with our parentheses A unioned with B. So I look up here at A and B. When I unioned those together, that's everything in either one or the other. So I've got some overlap, so I don't need to count those more than once. But there's a 1, 3, 4, they both have 5, and then it jumps to 8, 9, and 10. So the union is listed here. Now I have to intersect that with set C. So I take the union I've made here, and where does that intersect or overlap with set C? So what do they both have? Well, 2, no. 4, yep. 6, no. 8, yep, and 10. So the 4, the 8, and the 10 are the ones that overlap between C and this union that I built here. So there's my final result. Well, there's C I list down here. So then the final result is just the 4 and the 8 and the 10. The overlap between those. Okay, similar over here, but now I want to start with A intersecting B, unioning that with C. So the union, or intersection rather, of A and B is simply the 1 and the 10. Those are the only shared elements that they have or that overlaps with them. So the intersection is 1 and 10. Then let's see back down here again. Now I want the union of these two together. So that's anything in either or. So I'm looking at they have a 1, a 2, a 4, 6, 8, and then they both have a 10. So anything in either one or the other goes here.